Since 1984, Bangladesh RMG sector has made monumental leaps in terms of establishment of garment factories and employment opportunity for garment workers. The total RMG export of Bangladesh has also increased remarkably and gradually. The sector has experienced a growth of almost 300%. It employs now 3.6 million people, and total Bangladesh is the second largest exporter of ready-made garments. Bangladesh is no more simply a basic garments producing country. It is moving rapidly towards producing high-end products. In the year 2014-2015, Bangladesh total ready-made garments export was over 25.49 billion US dollars. Now we have internal standard technologies, workers are very efficient, reasonable, and can get your work done great under pressure. We are improving every day. Bangladesh has grown to become one of the largest exporters of the ready-made garments, and her infrastructure has grown at an equal pace. With 5-star hotels and restaurants at convenient locations for international buyers, and business visits to Bangladesh is an enjoyable experience. Annex Fashions and HI Apparels Limited has started journey since 2009. It's entirely a high-equipped woven project. Especially our management body is most active and spiritual, as each one of the official staff is very experienced, efficient and dutiful.
Bangladesh is a country of great potential in garments manufacturing field. We have 160 million good people in our country, out of which 20 million people working in R&D sector. It took 35 years in making them scale. Now we can make a higher end product like Ralph Lauren, Tommy Hilfiger, Puma, Nike, Adidas. So at these circumstances, you don't have to go to anywhere of the world. You can start easily with Bangladesh, as we have a lot of green factories. We have introduced a fully automated garments industry. The success of an industry is not just its technology and logistics. It is all about people who can make the difference. We have amazing people who can make amazing things. So come work with us to a brighter future.
We follow the local BGMEA and international label rules and regulations. Moreover, we are very much strict to the quality and commitment, as we consider it our main capital of business. Hence, one can trust our business principle undoubtedly. Our factory owners have immense confidence in the ability of our employees and owners.
Maybe 20 years I come here, so very long time, and actually I saw also the country developing a lot since that time. Really very good. Actually I'm in Chittagong I think for over 10 years now, working with my agent here, and actually also they developed a lot. They also have, apart from their agency, they built up a factory now in a new building, a new factory, Annex Fashion. So really, they're developing a lot. People are very good, hard workers. They are cooperative. Actually, we have a very good relationship, also long-term relationship, which is very important in this business as well. So actually, hardworking, very cooperative, also looking for solutions if there are any problems. So really satisfied with working with them. So.
Finally, the success of an industry is not just its technology and logistics. It's the people who make the difference, and Bangladeshi people have proven again and again, right from its revolutionary birth, that they are amazing people, that they are capable of amazing feats.